Airbus Helicopters has signed a contract with the Ministry of Defense of Brunei for the acquisition of 6 H145M helicopters. We are greatly honored by the selection of the H145M to support the Royal Brunei Air Force's expanded missions, said Bruno Even, CEO of Airbus Helicopters. The H145M is well regarded for its high performance and versatility, and we are confident that it will bring a step change in operational readiness to Brunei. Replacing its old Bo 105 fleet, Brunei's H145M will be used to enhance the Air Force's operational capabilities for missions including close air support and aerial observation. The H145M is a multi-role military helicopter that provides a broad range of mission capabilities. The global fleet of the H145 family has accumulated more than 7 million flight hours to date. It is used by armed, air and law enforcement forces around the world for the most demanding missions. Brunei is the latest nation to order the H145M after Cyprus, Germany, Hungary, Luxembourg, Serbia and Thailand. Powered by two Turbomeca Ariel 2E engines, the H145M is equipped with full authority digital engine control (FADEC). In addition, the helicopter is equipped with the Helionics digital avionics suite which, alongside innovative flight data management, includes a high-performance 4-axis autopilot, which considerably reduces pilot workload during missions. Its particularly low acoustic footprint makes the H145M the quietest helicopter in its class.